Being controversial is a really good thing according to me because that really makes you popular, but I, as a matter of fact, try to stay away from controversies. But today, it's not the usual kind of day, so let's do it. Hi guys, I'm Manpreet and today's video is about the worst books that I read in 2016. They may not necessarily be published in 2016, but I read them, I hated them, and I do not want anybody to read them. But if you want to read them and you just want to make yourself feel bad and waste your money, you're most welcome to do that. I'll put the links to all the books down below so you can purchase them. Okay, now as I know, I will be editing this video and watching it over like 30-40 times, so I want to say that I know a lot of you might not like this list, and I know there will be a lot of hate comments, particularly with the book, which when I gave it 2 stars, the publisher was so angry with me that they made a fake account and they started leaving really bad comments on my video, until some of you guys, thank you so much for doing that, you came forward and you were like, get away from here, we do not want you on her channel, and she definitely want you to go away. So that was something which happened in the beginning of 2016, and that was a great lesson to not work with shitty publishers. That's why I'm always now picky with the people I work with. Anyways, yes, so that was a disclaimer, but if you want to leave hate comments, you're most welcome to do that, because in a way, if you do not know about YouTube search algorithms, you would not know that your negative comments are still going to have a positive effect on my channel. So go ahead. So let's get started with this video. Book number 1 is From Tiggy with Love by Nitin Sharma. Now I do not say that a book is thoroughly bad, because it always depends on the perspective, but this book is the one written with no research, with lines picked from different novels, with scenes stolen from different Bollywood movies, and with a protagonist who is such a stupid, idiotic, and bad character whom you would hate. But the author has desperately tried to make this person sound like he's the best person in the world, and add to it the fact that the author tries to bore you to death with his long love letters and stupid writing. I have to say that it's a book which I do not even want my enemies to read, and I literally have a lot of enemies and I hate them, but I do not want them to read this book. So yes, I think you are wise enough to make your own decisions, by the way. So I'm not gonna talk about whether you should pick the book or not. This is just the book I hate, okay? I wasted my time on this. I hate it. Book number 2 is Percy Jackson and the Sea of Monsters by Rick Riordan. Now, I know a lot of people love Percy Jackson series, and I was like, I flew through the book, but that wow factor which I had expected by listening to so many people who are crazy about Percy Jackson series is missing. So I thought it was pretty overhyped, and I know even after saying that this was my least favorite book, I would still go on and finish the series, but still it was not a great experience. Book number 3 is City of Bones by Cassandra Clare. Now, the Mortal Instruments series is one of the most hyped, or I would say one of the most popular series on BookTube, on book blogs, everywhere, and I sort of love this book after book 3. I am so excited to read the next book, but I have to be honest that book 1 and book 2 were like really slow, fluffy, nothing was happening in them, and that it was a pain to go through those 2 books. And I know a lot of you actually recommended the series to me, and you also agree that the first 2 books are not that great, but for me they were even below great, they were even below good, they were like okay. So yes, these are actually 2 books which were my least favorite, and yeah, like the Mortal Instruments series, City of Bones and City of Ashes, okay. Number 4th book which was my least favorite was Losing My Virginity and Other Dumb Ideas by Madhuri Banerjee. Now, if you have been following me, you would know that when I started reading this book, I loved it. It had a very wonderful protagonist, and I feel like this is one of those rare books where author wrote 2 manuscripts and then clubbed them together without thinking that those are 2 different characters, which she is like making one. Now that was all my imagination. I do have weird imaginations, but this book literally seemed like that, because after a certain point in the book, she is like a totally different character. Now somewhere it is like understandable that there are some events that happened in her life which could have changed her, but it is like turning a guy into a girl. That kind of change was there in this book, and it was not a smooth change. It was like one day she was like this and next day she was literally a different person, which was a pain to read, because I loved the first person, the other one was boring, pathetic, and you do not want to read about her, and then you hate it because you were actually reading about this amazing person. So that's why I seriously hated this book. Oh, I hope I explained it in a well manner. So it was not a great book. I hope you got my point. And the last book that I hated, or which was my least favorite, was Best Boyfriend by Durjoy Datta. Now, I do not hate Chetan Bhagat and Durjoy Datta, and I think it's pretty clear with the viewers of my channel, because I do not hate them. I do not have the I do not have baseless perspectives based on someone's opinion. So my opinion is that they are fairly good authors who have made people in this country read books. So let's not talk about that. We'll keep that for some other video. Let's talk about this book. So this book has two different characters, and those both of them are damaged character. One of them has a disease which makes her like very unacceptable to the society, and her parents hate her, and everything is like that. And the other guy had parents who divorced early in his childhood, and both of them have a love and hate relationship with each other. So this is the story about them. Now the story was kind of really funny, entertaining, and it was good. But at points there are scenes which are so unreal, which are so like framed, that you feel disgusted. Like, how could this happen? Like, you are reading an amazing normal story which you can relate to, and then this thing happens which makes you feel like, ew. So that is what happened in this book, which made me include this in my least favorite books. So yes guys, this is my video on least favorite books of mine. I would not say whether you should read it or not, but I would never ever ask my children, my friends, to read it. So yes, if you guys really think I am your friend, don't read it. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do hit thumbs up. If you hated this video, do hit thumbs down. I do not care. Do comment down below with your hate comments. I do not care. And I'll be back with another video very soon.